Hello, my name is Attorney Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today it's my privilege and a great honor to introduce to you Ms. Christine Geddes, an estate planning client with her husband here at Smith Strong. Ms. Geddes, it's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you so much for having me.
You are a client at this firm. What are you working with Smith Strong attorneys now in developing?
We are working on a will and a trust that we've desired to establish for quite a while. So I would say to other people to not be intimidated by the process and to look at this like a partnership. And that's what I was really blessed by, because I had never dealt with an attorney who I felt I could have a long-term relationship with, who would meet my needs in the moment, and then who I felt would know what I was saying and follow through with them as a partner with myself and my family. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, and thank you for coming today.
Okay. Please thank your staff.
I will.